Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make change your Roku streaming display to 4K HDR. And now let's see. But please make sure that to make change it to 4K, your TV screen display must have the 4K display setting also. For example, now my TV, I can only select up to 1080p because this TV is the full HD TV. And to go to that setting, first of all, you just need to go to the setting, and then go to display tab, and after that you now can select your display setting. For example, I want to select the highest one, 4K HD or 60 Hz, and the TV will detect, so it will show the setting here. 4K HDR cannot be displayed to this TV, so just cancel on it, and now drop one by one. 4K cannot display, 4K 60 Hz cannot display. Okay, and if I select to 720p, and it can possible, and now use 720, just screen look good. And another thing, and I want to change it to 1080p, and we use 1080p, and the screen will maximize. Okay, now we choose 1080p, and another thing, you can just select the auto detection if you don't want to select one by one. Okay, the auto detection, it will select for the maximum that your TV can be choose, so we choose the automatic. Yes, the screen look good, and you can see here the detection is 1080p. Okay, and that's it. That is how you can change the screen resolution on your Roku streaming stick plus device. And now let me say goodbye, saying for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.